How to use a rooftop cargo box on Porsche 911. Are you ready to take your Porsche 911 on an epic adventure? Then you'll definitely want to consider adding a rooftop cargo box to your ride. With a rooftop cargo box, you can easily transport all your gear, from skis to camping equipment, without sacrificing the sleek and stylish look of your Porsche 911. The first step to using a rooftop cargo box on your Porsche 911 is to ensure that you have the right equipment. Look for a cargo box that is compatible with your specific model of Porsche 911 and that is designed to fit on rooftop racks. You'll also want to make sure that the cargo box is sturdy and can withstand high speeds and harsh weather conditions. Once you have your rooftop cargo box, it's time to install it on your Porsche 911. Follow the manufacturer's instructions closely to ensure a secure and proper installation. Make sure to tighten all the bolts and straps to keep the cargo box in place while you're on the road. Now it's time to start packing. Before you load your gear into the cargo box, make sure to clean and dry it thoroughly. This will help prevent any damage to your belongings and ensure that everything stays dry and secure during your journey. As you pack, distribute the weight evenly in the cargo box to maintain balance and stability. Once everything is packed and ready to go, it's time to hit the road. As you drive, keep in mind that your Porsche 911 may handle slightly differently with the added weight on the roof. Take turns and corners a bit more carefully, and be aware of any changes in wind resistance. With a little practice, you'll quickly get used to driving with a rooftop cargo box. Whether you're heading to the mountains for a ski trip or exploring the great outdoors, using a rooftop cargo box on your Porsche 911 can enhance your travel experience. It allows you to bring everything you need for your adventure, while still enjoying the performance and style of your luxury sports car. So go ahead, pack up and hit the open road with confidence and style.